Welcome to Redline Review. Performance RV 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome. Lamborghini Motorhome, a supercar-inspired mobile castle, surprise in 2026. This revolutionary camper combines the Italian brand's distinctive elegance with cutting-edge technology and luxury. Massive Lamborghini exterior, Aventador and Revuelto-inspired wedge-shaped body, Y-shaped LED headlight signature and hexagonal accents, retractable carbon fiber side extensions for added width when parked, active aerodynamic elements for stability and cooling, massive 24-inch forged wheels with center lock hubs, carbon fiber reinforced low, wide, and dramatic. The motorhome stands out. Four-wheel hybrid range, 7.8 twin-turbo plug-in, hybrid, 800 plus horsepower power output, all-wheel drive with torque vectoring, performance mode selector, Strada, Sport, Corsa, off-road, approximately 60 miles battery range, pure electric, extended via hybrid V8, approximately 4.8 seconds 0 to 60 miles per hour. Impressive for a motorhome. Electronically limited to 125 miles per hour top speed. These Lamborghinis offer performance and drama to luxury travel, not just speed. Digital intelligence meets Italian excess. Main cabin, Lamborghini ad personam, custom interior, hexagonal stitched Alcantara, and leather seating, 77-inch 8K OLED screen with immersive sound system, electrochromic panoramic roof with starlight ceiling option, digital cockpit control with Centro-style UI, carbon fiber cabinetry, smart galley with induction burners, oven, and espresso station, folding din. The bedroom has a queen-size floating bed with magnetic ride suspension, Lamborghini's Y-design LED mood lighting, and a custom wardrobe with push-touch panels and lit compartments. A marble effect shower with a hexagonal rain head, Lamborghini embossed glass sink and smart mirror, motion-sensing ambient lighting, and an autonomous scent system are in the bathroom. Includes Lambo Link AI assistant. Level 3 autonomous driving with manual override, 360-degree cameras, infrared vision, and voice and gesture control for lighting, sound, and vehicle operations. Solar roof with high-efficiency panels and 200 kilowatt-hour storage. Smart trailer mode for Lamborghini, Huracan or Revuelto, towing, for whom? The 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome is for hypercar owners, celebrities, and wealthy explorers who desire to travel in elegance, like a track car and private jet on wheels. One last thought. The 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome debuts the Hyper RV category with speed, elegance, and style. Who says you can't bring the track? The Lamborghini is noisy and speedy,